What is up, Chase That Coin family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. And today we want to talk about Tezos breaking the $5 mark and getting some attention from the Winklevoss twins, quote unquote attention. All right. We also want to talk about Bitcoin fighting for dominance. It continues to just hold on to stay above that 50% dominance. All right. And we also want to talk about the new investors um, getting getting a little scared. You know, the newer guys in crypto getting a little scared and panic selling their positions. We're gonna give it a few seconds to get some live viewers. I encourage you all to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're gonna give it a few seconds to get some viewers, and then we're gonna take off. Please check the the links in the description below. All right, we have the link to our Telegram group. It is new. We are growing. It is taking off pretty fast. All right, we also have the link in the description below to chasethatcointrading.com. I am almost finished with the site. It is going to be an in-depth look into cryptocurrency trading from someone who has done this and seen a lot of different scenarios and situations. All right. I'm sharing this out, guys, and then we're going to take off. You don't have to donate. If you could just hit that like and subscribe, it helps more people find the stream. All right, so Tezos. All right, now a lot of people, there's some people out there that are saying, "Come on, man, you're reaching with this whole Tezos Winklevoss situation." Um, maybe it is reaching, but I do like the fact that you know, they are getting some attention from the Winklevoss twins. All right, so we got a few viewers in the chat and we're in the stream and we're gonna take off. All right, so we're gonna start off with Tezos. All right, now this is CoinMarketCap.com, and this is Tezos IOU. So this is a pre-launch IOU that Hit BTC is doing. All right, this has been very flat. It hasn't seen much action. It has seen a consistent um, amount of money in the volume, but it hasn't seen that much of an up move. All right, it was consistently around uh, 200, $300,000 a day coming in and out of Tezos. But for those of you who don't know, all right, they've had some infighting between the founder, which is one of the co-founders, which is Arthur Brightman, and the founder of the Crypto Valley in Zug, which is Johan Gerver. So they're having a problem. Another one of the foundation members just resigned. Guardo Sanchez, I think his name is. I'm 100% sure on Guardo. I'm not 100% sure on Sanchez, so don't quote me on his last name. But he just left. All right. So Tezos is things seem to be clearing up, but it started off very rough. All right, but as Gordo, one of the foundation members, just resigned. By Swiss law, they have to find another foundation member very soon. So by the end of January, they have to have a new foundation member. Now, a lot of people are saying that this is going to bring some form of neutrality. All right. So they're going to have a new person in there, possibly that the community could feel like they could trust a lot. All right. But with these things, with the whole infighting starting to seem like it's clearing up. All right. And just yesterday, all right, so a lot of people were getting really hype about this, and some people were mad. Some people were like, you know, look at how desperate, you know, the Tezos people are. So on one hand, it's kind of funny. I get what they're saying, like, any little thing, because people are just looking for some kind of form of positivity. So any little thing right now is it's like a big ray of sunshine. But it is a big deal simply because the Winklevoss twins, who are who are the first confirmed Bitcoin billionaires, and they own one of the biggest Bitcoin exchanges, which is the Gemini exchange. They only follow a few cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum. I want to say like four others. I think Ripple, all right, and now they follow Tezos. All right, so obviously some kind of interest in Tezos on their end is there. All right, so as far as big players, Olaf, who is the founder of, I think it's Polychain Capital. All right, which is a cryptocurrency hedge fund, he is very bullish. All right, Tim Draper, a lot of smart people. So one of my things that I always try to tell people to do is follow the smart money. All right. Now, without making this one part about Tezos too long and drawn out, all right, I want to make some predictions. All right. Now, the funds that the Tezos Foundation has is estimated to be at more than $1 billion. All right. So the foundation, the Tezos Foundation has more than $1 billion in their possession, in their war chest. All right. Now, something like Cardano, which Cardano references Tezos in its papers multiple times. IOHK follows Tezos. Charles Hoskinson posts in the Tezos subreddit a lot, or a good amount. So he also has a interest, and IOHK also has an interest in Tezos. Tezos and Cardano are very similar. I am very, very bullish Cardano. I was just telling somebody that in the group. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and join us in the group. All right, in the Telegram group, link is in the description below. I was just telling someone that my bets are gonna be on. Well, I already have a big bet on Tezos. All right, I'm gonna put another sizable bet on Cardano, and if EOS comes down to a price that I consider is reasonable, I will also place a nice size bet on EOS. But for now, I'm going to go with Cardano. I already have a bet in Tezos. And I'm going to go with Stellar Lumens, all right, as another form of a platform. So launch price predictions, all right. Cardano is very young, all right. It doesn't have smart contracts. It doesn't have its POS system working, as I think, all right. So a lot of the features aren't launched on Cardano yet, but yet within being active just for a few months, they've already happened to amass 5 billion. Would it be billion? I said billion. All right, $5 billion market cap. All right. So in my opinion, as far as the test net, right now, the test net of Tezos, from what a lot of very smart people, so much smarter than myself, have said, all right, the test net for Tezos has more functionality than the test net of EOS, and it has more functionality than Cardano, which is an actual live chain. Tezos has smart contracts. It already has POS. All right, the governance system is being worked on. The modular aspect of Tezos is already there. So if Tezos was to launch, and when they do launch, they'll have much more functionality than Cardano, and they'll be, ahead of EOS. So my prediction is that Tezos is going to launch at, I want to say Tezos is going to launch maybe around 14, 13. It may dump a little bit. It's going to hold, and within 2 months, Tezos is going to be a top 10 cryptocurrency. That's just an opinion from me. That doesn't mean that it's set in stone. That's just my opinion. All right, so that's enough about Tezos and the Winklevoss twins, and I'm done shilling you. Shill me. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin USD. First of all, let me check out the chat with the chasers. Let me check out the chat with the chasers. I appreciate having you all here. Everybody hit like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. We are going to do our videos just so I can stay on point with my videos. I don't want to slow down with the content. We're going to do the videos without my beautiful face on the screen until I can get my perfect settings with this new software, XSplits, and then we're going to, get back to normal programming. But until then, the content is going to be delivered in immaculate form like this. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin USD. So Bitcoin is struggling to maintain its dominance. For those of you who are new to Bitcoin, all right, and we also have a little talk for the newer guys towards the end. Those of you who are new in Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance is just a representation of how much of the total market cap of cryptocurrency belongs to Bitcoin. All right. So right now, and this fluctuates, I've seen it low. I've seen it much lower than this. All right. And a lot of people have seen it lower than this. And that's when altcoins were booming and people were making all kind of X's. But, guys that don't trade altcoins or don't like altcoins, they try to forget those type of things, act like they don't exist. But this thing can move. It can change. It can go up. It can go down. All right. And lately, as altcoins have been breaking out, the dominance has been slightly slipping. All right. But Bitcoin has done a pretty good job of holding above 50%. If we start to see this thing slowly slip below 40%, it's going to give us more and more reasons to think that the altcoin market itself is going to start to pick up. For the altcoin market to pick up, it has to cannibalize Bitcoin. All right. So what it would do is the altcoins will start to suck out some of this market cap from Bitcoin. They'll start to cannibalize each other as well because, it's a dog eat dog world in this crypto thing. But they'll start to cannibalize Bitcoin. Bitcoin will hold value. It will slightly dip. All right. The market will start to cannibalize Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin gets to a certain point, the hawks are going to be watching Bitcoin and they're going to swoop in and pick up Bitcoin. All right. And then the Bitcoin dominance will pick up again. So this is just a little cycle that I want you guys to be aware of. All right, let's check out BTC USD on the charts. All right, because we like to talk about news here, but we also like to get a look at the charts and see how the market is reacting with these candlesticks. All right, a lot of people feel like, that this is just like voodoo or it's just a bunch of randomness. But there is a story to be told here. There's a story being told here, and I just want to help you be able to read it because there is a story here. Is technical analysis 100%? No, it's not. Anybody who tells you that, it's a liar. All right. But what technical analysis does, it gives you a slight edge. All right. Now, the person who goes to the casino and is really good at blackjack and has a system has a slight edge. Yes, the house has the ultimate edge. All right. But that little slight edge that I can get, if I can increase my chances of being, 65-35 in my favor, then I'm going to take all of those opportunities. All right. So Bitcoin right now has been struggling, all right, to break the top of these bodies right here. This blue line is a line that we tacked onto this chart the night of the CBOE futures launch. All right, we tacked this line on based on the 30-minute chart. All right, so the 30-minute was reacting to this, and now it seems that the daily itself, so this line right here is starting to become an even more established level of support. Now, the thing about this is that yes, the market is struggling at this level, but this is the perfect level to struggle at. All right, this is the perfect level to struggle at. So don't get too, euphoric, all right, about the altcoins. They are showing life, and as it goes on, I'm expecting the market to really pick up. But Bitcoin is still at a point where it can spike up and suck the life out of altcoins. All right, so that brings us into yesterday. Let's take a look at the charts from yesterday. All right, now I know some of you guys are new here. And if you are new here, I encourage you to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, join our Telegram group. All right. Link is in the description below. There's new people there as well. Help you learn a lot quicker. But a lot of newer people, they panic sold yesterday. So let's look at some of the sell-offs and the snaps, the pullback ups. All right. So everything took a nice sharp dip yesterday. A nice sharp dip. All right, so starting on this candle from yesterday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time was the time that this candle was established. the market snapped down quickly 20%. So that was the newer people, all right? That for the newer people, that was your first taste and first look at the market, the volatility of cryptocurrency, all right? Now, I know you guys are just thinking about the upside, but please be prepared for the downside, all right? Do not risk more than you are willing to lose. Have a system, try to come up with a system, try to find somebody that can help you and lead you in the right direction. Try to find a community that can help you and with like-minded people. And I think you're in the right place with Chase That Coin. All right, so a lot of these coins snap down. Let's look at Strat. Strat snapped down. Many of these coins snap down. Not in USD, BTC. But they pulled back up very strong. All right, now I'm in my course. There is a whole section in which we are learning, which I'm going to teach you how to. Nope, I don't want Polonius either. I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of situations like yesterday and how to get into flash crashes and different things. So I personally did not get into a lot of positions yesterday. I did call out that I did pick up in a Monero position, and I also did increase my Stratus position. But I did not get any new positions other than the XMR, simply because the direction of the market is not clear and defined yet. So for me to get into the market right here and jump, and try to, get into a flash crash preemptively, can lead to disaster. But me as a trader, all right, me as a trader and someone who sees that a daily trend line has been established and it has been respected multiple times. All right. Now, if we get a close above this daily trend line from this wick, it is even more of a bullish sign. I know you're saying, how is it a bullish sign, Chaka? It's going down. If you don't really realize, let's get this Naga thing off there because I'm not promoting them. All right. We got a respect of the trend line here, 1. Respect of the trend line here, 2. Respect of the trend line here, 3. Right. Not only do we have the market respecting multiple hits on the upward trending line, we have a strong level of support. So even if this upward trending line was here, this very strong established level of support is still here. All right. This is there for many coins. Let's look at XRP. BTC. I'm still bullish a lot of these trades. Now, something like Ripple, I'm not really bullish Ripple right now. Overall, I am bullish Ripple, and I'm also working on a strategy for 2018 that I think is going to dominate 2018. All right. And you guys are here first. We're going to grow. You're going to be able to take advantage of this strategy first. I'm not bullish so much on Ripple right now simply because it ran up so much. And if it doesn't get listed on Coinbase soon, people are going to dump the same way they dumped Ripple earlier after the conference. So I'm not really bullish Ripple right here. But people that got in and knew how to take advantage of flash crashes got a very quick 22%. So there is a method in the way that you do this. This method I developed when I was trading Forex, because Forex always had a lot of different flash crashes and scenarios. So I developed a strategy with that. But for you guys, you newer guys, welcome. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The same volatility that we have towards the upside, we can have towards the downside. All of you guys are here, and I appreciate having you here. I don't want to make this one too long, drawn out. All right. I am working on a video for Extra Bytes. We had one of the team members in the supposedly, because the team members are anonymous, so we supposedly have one of the team members in our Telegram group, right? We had him in there, so he gave us a lot of information. I told everybody to just please not talk and let him, let me ask him some questions and do the rundown. I'm gonna give you my opinion on Extra Bytes. For those of you who don't know, Extra Bytes was one of the projects that I was interested in a little while ago, but then I said, I pulled out of it because certain things I had concerns about certain things. So I'm gonna do a review, dig a little bit deeper in Extra Bytes, and bring you my honest opinion on the project. All right, like I said, I don't want to make this one too long, guys. I appreciate having you all here with me. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Join us in the Telegram group, link in the description below. And until next time, keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.